Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today, we're making a video about me. I'm a we. I'm making a video about electives. Okay, so the electives that I picked the IT pathway and it was just way too hard. As soon as I did the first two, boom, project, exam. The next one, project, exam. The next one, project and exam. Too many projects and exams. Nobody want to do all that, right? Okay, so I don't have to do any of that stuff, right? I'm like, I quit, right? I call Penn Foster, right? If you see here, I got 17.5 because I just finished doing one of my electives. And it wasn't any of the IT pathway since they all had exams. And I didn't want to do all that, so I checked on, I went to the little forums and resources, and then I went to help and support to find out I want to change my electives, right? Because we don't want to do that. We don't want to do all that hard stuff where we got to do like 20 projects. They literally had 3 projects in one course, and then the next one had another 3 and 2. I mean, like, come on. We all want to do that multiple choice, right? Okay, so what I did to change my electives, look at this right here. I changed my electives, and then I didn't choose no pathway. I picked medical administrative assistant. It had 3 courses. 3 exams in this course, but I didn't see that when I clicked on it. I just click on it and then all this, it's not like a drop down. Like when you choose your electives, it's not going to give you a drop down to let you know how many exams are per course that you picked for your electives. So I didn't know it was going to have 3, but I had 3 and I completed it today. Then I chose small business management. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chemistry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Geometry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Business math. 1, 2, 3. Now, none of these should have any written or any projects. It should all be multiple choice. I went through it, and so far that's exactly what it looks like to me. So, how did I change my electives? Let me tell you how I did that. For boom. All you gotta do to change your electives is call this number 1-888-427-1000. I repeat, 1-888-427-1000. Get them a call. Let me make it blink. Ooh. Yeah, that caught your attention. Alright, call that number, right? So what you're gonna tell them is the electives that you picked a little too challenging for you, or you're gonna tell them that it's just not what you thought it was gonna be, or blah blah. Whatever you could tell them that doesn't make you look weak, right? So you tell them that you chose the electives, but it's not for you, and you like to choose different electives. Since usually these electives are like a little preparation before you chose the college course, right? So there is a fee. The fee to change all the electives is $50. I paid $50. It's $10 per elective. It's 5 electives. $50. I paid $50. So if you're not planning on changing all 5 of them, then it's $10 a piece. But I wanted all 5 changed since I chose the pathway, and I wasn't planning on doing no 20 exams. So hopefully moi, your favorite YouTuber, is gonna have his high school diploma next week. Now, you could only do 15 exams per week. Today being the 27th of this week, I should be able to do, like, counting these right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. And then the following week, that Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sits. And then after that, graduation. And then I'm gonna be holding my diploma like this, and you guys are gonna be like, yay! And I'm gonna be like, yay! And then, you know, also, let's take a look at my messages here. I just got a notification today about one of the subscribers that graduated. Right here, Sierra Justice. She said, or he said, whatever. I finished, yep. Now I'm going for BA in business. Hey. Okay, let's see. Let's go out the top of the list. It's not that many. Let's see. Well, we got King X. He's in the electives part, so he should be finishing soon. He got 1 credit left. So he should be finished by now or by the end of this week. King X. Let's see. And so far, that is, let me say all the radio information. That's our electives. Well, somebody else just started electives. Marsha Manning. Well, that's so far all I got for today. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know if you picked any electives, because you know it looked like you had this. I thought I had this. I had confidence that I had this, but I just want to graduate. I just want my diploma. These pathways, yeah, IT is cool and all, but it's not for me right now. When I want my diploma, we all want our diplomas. That's why we're here. So, after I picked it and I started doing a few, I started thinking like, wait a minute, it's gonna take a little bit too long. I want that right now, right? I already paid it off completely using, you know, that moolah that we got from the government. Because use your money wisely, right? I started off with the payment plan. Most of you did the payment plan. Because if you start off with the payment plan and you end up that it's not for you and you don't like it, you don't want a high school diploma, then, you know, you could stop. But, you know, once you pay it in full, you're in this, right? So, I wanted my diploma. So I called them. I called the number. And I'm like, you know what? I want to change my electives. It's a little bit too hard for me. It's not what I thought it was going to be. The lady on the phone kindly said it's going to be $50. I paid the $50 to change the 5 electives. A few hours later, she told me it's going to be the next day. But a few hours later, boom. It gave me the option to choose electives. So that's what I did. I chose electives. And I chose these. And, you know, that's going to be it for today. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comment below. Click like on that video. Share it with anybody who, you know, is having some troubles with their electives. You don't have to change all 5. Maybe one of them is just a little too hard and you want to change that one. So go ahead and follow me right there on Instagram. I reply fast right there. This Cash App if you want to give me a little donation. You know, that taco money. And I'll see you in my next video, and thank you for watching, everybody.